Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Shadcn tooltip component. So let's get started. So for those of you who don't know, tooltips are basically that thing where you hover over a text and it just displays something. Okay, so to install the tooltip component using Shadcn, it's very simple. But before that, I just want to make it clear I've already installed Shadcn. If you want to know how to do that, I have tutorials for React and Next.js, and they will show you how to install Shadcn with each of them. Okay, so go and watch those. But after that, all you need to do to install the tooltip component is type in the command npx shadcn at latest add tooltip. Okay, press enter. Okay, now that is done, all you need to do is wrap the text with the tooltip components from Shadcn. For example, I will add in a p tag, for example. Okay, you can have any other tag, but let's say you had a paragraph. Okay, so what you would do with something like this is import the tooltip, okay, component, and you have to get it from the add components / UI tooltip. Okay, and inside of this you end up having the TooltipTrigger. And you put this inside of your trigger, and then you put in the content. Okay, and just type in whatever you want. For example, I will type in and now I will hover over this, and as you can see, I'm seeing my tooltip. And I think you can also change the color of this as well. So let me just use some Tailwind styling. So we just use something like this. As you can see, the tooltip color is changing, but this is not. Okay, so just in case you wanted to change this as well, what you can do is go into your components, then the UI folder, and you have the tooltip, right? So what is happening is that the content, okay, so you want to apply all of this. So what this is doing is, this is the arrow, by the way. So here it's not adding it like this. So what you can do is basically just copy all of this. Okay, I am going to put that here. Okay, and I'm just going to take all of this styling and I'll replace it with this. Okay, and I'll just save this. After you do this, see that it did change it to red, but there is still something left. That's because of the fill. Okay, so what you can do for that is to just do fill dash red dash 500. Okay, let's save that, and now you can see it's all red. Okay, same if you want to change it to, let's say, green. See, you can now change the color as well. Okay, so that's how you do a tooltip. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.